In this exercise, we will learn the background erase tool. Basically, it is very useful to erase simple color background from the image. Okay, let's see how this tool will work. If I right-click on the eraser tool, we can see the background eraser tool underneath the eraser tool, or we can select this tool by pressing Shift and E. Okay, now I have selected this tool, and I will now show how this tool will work. For instance, if we erase the background, something like that. See, it's not erasing perfectly. All right, let's undo that. Now, let's see some above control options. Without the control option, this will not work well. So first, make sure that we have sampling on continuous and limits on continuous, and protect foreground color is checked on. And the tolerance we will change according to the image situation. For example, if I choose tolerance at 1% and then take a sample color of the subject by pressing the Alt key and then start removing the image, we can see this is not perfect. Removing the image, we can see this is not perfect. Okay, undo that. Undo that. And press the Alt key and start removing it, something like that. Moving the image, we can see this is not perfect. Okay, undo that. And press the Alt key and start removing it, something like that. You can see it's working perfectly. My image is not too simple. It has some similarity of colors on the background and subject. We can also adjust the size of the brush by pressing the left and right bracket key. Okay, I have removed this part, and now this side has a darker area. We can remove this by taking another color sample here. The color sample helps us to protect the foreground color and removes the background color, something like this. Now we can see that it's almost perfect. You can try this on another image, and you can always adjust the tolerance options and do some experiments. Try this on another image, and you can always adjust the tolerance options and do some experiments. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the magic eraser tool.